Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to share your live location on Google Maps using any device. Before you can share your location, you need to make sure location services are turned on. On an iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, and turn it on. Scroll down to Google Maps and set it to Always for the best experience. Once that's done, you're ready to start sharing your location. Now, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select Location Sharing from the menu. To share your location with someone, tap on Share Location. If you're not signed in, you may need to log into your Google account. Choose who you want to share your location with. Set the duration for how long you want to share your live location. Once you send the invite, the person will be able to see your location in real time. And that's it. Now you know how to share your live location using Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.